Understanding, to take your time, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in English, to take your time. This phrase can be a bit confusing for learners, but it's very useful in everyday conversation. So, let's explore its meaning, usage, and some examples together. To take your time means to do something without rushing, to proceed slowly or at one's own pace. It's often used when you want to tell someone that there is no need to hurry, and they can have as much time as they need to complete a task. This phrase emphasizes patience and the absence of pressure. In this section, let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used in different contexts. 1. In a work setting, your boss might say, "Take your time with this project. We want it to be perfect." 2. In daily life, if someone is packing for a trip and they're nervous about forgetting something, you might say, "Take your time packing. There's no rush." 3. In learning, a teacher might tell a student, "Take your time to understand this concept. It's important to grasp it fully." It's important to note that, to take your time, is not always literal. Sometimes, it's just a polite way of saying, "Don't rush." However, it doesn't always mean you can take as long as you want. It's always good to ask for clarification if you're unsure about the deadline or expected time frame. In different cultures, the perception of time can vary. Understanding the cultural context is important when using or interpreting the phrase, "to take your time." In some cultures, time is more flexible, while in others, punctuality and efficiency are highly valued. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, "to take your time." Remember, language learning is a journey, so take your time and enjoy the process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.